Spectrum cable box error code A16 indicates an authorization or signal issue preventing access to cable channels. This means your box can't verify its access rights with Spectrum's servers. First, perform a simple reboot. Unplug your cable box from the power outlet, wait 60 seconds, and plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches. While your cable box restarts, check all coaxial cable connections to the box and the wall. Ensure they are finger-tight but not overly tightened to avoid damage. If the error persists after the reboot, proceed to reauthorization. Since mid-2024, Spectrum has enhanced its mobile app with AI-driven diagnostics, guiding users through a reauthorization process. Open the Spectrum app on your smartphone or tablet and navigate to the Troubleshooting or Support section. Follow the prompts to reauthorize your cable box. This process sends a signal from Spectrum's servers to your box, verifying your subscription status and unlocking the channels. If reauthorization via the app fails, check the signal strength by accessing your cable box's diagnostic menu. Press the menu button twice, then navigate to Settings, System Information, or Diagnostics. Look for signal strength or SNR reading. The ideal strength should be above 50 dBm. If signal is low, inspect the coaxial cable for damage or kinks. Replace if necessary. Check for splitters, amplifiers, or excess cable length that can degrade signal. Remove unnecessary devices. If signal remains low or fluctuates, contact Spectrum support. Provide details about steps taken and readings. A technician may inspect the line.